My family and I came to Tianjin in the summer of 2017 and to work in this wonderful school. And at that time I had 3 children, and since then we've added 1 more, so I now have 4 children. Tianjin has really become a home for us. It's a great place for us to raise our kids. Everything about the city has been very impressive to us, and we want to continue to be here for a long time. It's just amazing how Tianjin has done a wonderful job of changing the air quality. I really think that it's changed the quality of life, and you see more and more people outside and enjoying the beautiful weather that is provided for the city, and there's less worry about the long-term impacts, and it really makes a difference actually on the ability for our family to be here and be sustained here for a long time. So our school has really been here providing an education for foreigners for 36 years. Learn these values of what it means to be a leader, what it means to be a loving and part of a community, and what it means to learn well. And taking these values, we want to see it instilled in their lives so that no matter where they go, they're able to be successful. And in that, we know that it's not just about education. We're here to see lives changed. We want to see a holistic education that understands that in challenging times that we all live in right now, I'm very thankful for the way the authorities in Tianjin have really supported us over the years. And we see ourselves as really Tianjinren, and want to be able to continue to give back and contribute into the community. But I know that actually none of that is possible without just great government leadership here. And it really allows me to have confidence in knowing that Tianjin is going to be and is and will continue to be a very successful city and a very important city within China and even in the world. 我在天津90年挺好的，我爱天津。